Load your family into the 2011 GMC Terrain. With less than 30,000 miles on the odometer, this four-door sport utility vehicle prioritizes comfort, safety, and convenience. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Top features include front bucket seats, a rear window wiper, an outside temperature display, front fog lights, remote keyless entry, and one-touch window functionality. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability and 8 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. With side curtain airbags supplementing the rest of the safety network, you can be assured that you and your passengers will experience top-tier protection. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, indicating just one previous owner. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.